cheerful goes to candidate number 10.
Congratulations to our little Miss Cheerful, candidate number 10, Miss Amy Rose Espino.
Our next special award is Dean Lopez Choice Award.
To award our Dean Lopez Choice Award, main on stage, Ma'am Jessie R. Gaon.
Our Dean Lopez Choice Award goes to candidate number. Our Dean Lopez Choice Award goes to candidate number 7.
Congratulations to Miss Dean Lopez Choice Award, candidate number 7, Miss Tia Evans.
Our next special award is Premier Manpower and General Services or PMAX Choice Award.
Our Premier Manpower and General Services Award, main on stage, Kagawad Henkel F. Tulong.
Our Premier Manpower and General Services Choice Award goes to candidate number 10.
Once again, congratulations to our latest Premier Manpower and General Services, the candidate number 10, Jose Rose Espino.
And now for our next special award. 30 awards for ibang level. And now, our last special award is Lucky M2 Bicycle Center Choice Award.
To award our Lucky M2 Bicycle Center Choice Award, the presenters are Kagawad Henkel F. Tulong.
Our Lucky M2 Bicycle Center Choice Award goes to candidate number. Candidate number 10. Once again, Little Miss Buddy Beautiful is candidate number 5. Little Miss Fat Model is candidate number 4. Little Miss Elegance is
partner, lahat palaban.
Correct, partner. At saka talagang summer na summer. Di ba? Feel mo talaga ang summer.
Yes.
Sa kanilang different outfits.
Actually,
na
pag
pinipilihan
mo ko, lahat sila panalo sa summer.
Yes naman. Oo nga, no? Parang lahat talaga sila pasok na pasok.
Okay, partner, so let's continue our third set of the special awards.
So for our third set of special awards, we have first, Little Miss Beautiful Hair.
The presenters are main on stage Barangay Karawan, Gerald R. Castellanos.
Our Little Miss Beautiful Hair goes to candidate number Candidate number 10, Amy Rosria. Our next special award is Little Miss Friendship.
To award our Little Miss Friendship, leading on stage, Kagawad Sergio Q. Puato as Korea. Thank you very much, candidate number 10. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome on stage our 10 lovely and charming candidates vying for the title Little Miss Ilocanos Norte 2024.
And of course, last but not the least, we have Amy Rosria, candidate number 10.
I will make my mom proud.
Alam mo, partner na ba sa ibang level ng support system ni candidate number 2? Lakas naka-floats ka. Parang every performance talagang sinusupport. So, hi candidate number 10. So, your name is Amy, tama? So, ready ka na for your question? Okay. So, pili ka na, baby, kung sino bubunot ng question for you. Alright, so ang nabunod ng partner is si judge number 2, si Miss Angeli.
Ayan, for the last question, number 10, Amy, narinig mo ko? Hello, Amy, andito ako. Ayan.
English!
Alright, do you hear me? Okay, good. This is your question. As a child, how can you show your love for your family?
Alright, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our
Sumali pa yung
candidate
napanan
number 10, Amy Rosria. So,
Okay lang.
grabe awards.
Walang tapon, no? Lahat sila magagaling, no? Kudos to all parents, especially sa mga trainers nila na talagang pinaghandaan nila or pinakita nila yung galing na mga bata.
And of course, to our parents, no, and guardians, and to all na sumusuporta sa kanilang mga iba't ibang candidates na nandito tonight. Kasi partner, iba talaga ang impact kapag nakikita ng mga supporters nila. Kahit mag-isa mo lang, kahit uray nila ninanang mo tiyapan, pag talagang naramdaman ng bata yung support mo, talagang kahit ano pa yan, kakayanin na. Because our children are stronger now these days, partner. At dapat maniwala tayo sa capabilities ng ating mga kabataan. Kasi sila po ang mga susunod na mga leaders, doctors, professionals. Kaya habang bata pa lang po, let's do our best, no? To be their support system and also provide guidance and impart our knowledge and wisdom to our kids and the youth, of course. Kaya hindi naman ako candidate pero matagdami ko sila. Parang Q&A ba yun, partner?
Ayan, sa partner, nasa kamay na natin ang minor award, ang 4 minor award.
Wala pa siya sa kamay natin, partner, dahil nandito pa siya sa podium. Hawakan pa lang natin.
Alright.
So, ayan, partner. Mukhang pagod na sa akin.
Okay ba tayo, ladies?
Okay ba, kids?
Ayan, nasakay ka sa taas. Ayan, buhay na buhay.
At saka gusto ko makita yung mga cute na smile. Yung mga cute na smile. Ayan.
Yung pagod ka na pero kailangan mo mag-smile partner.
Correct. So, ayan. I-award na po natin ang ating minor awards. So, nandito po talaga ang mga score sheet natin from our tabulation committee. And nakikita po natin ang kanilang mga signatures. Dito talagang proven na po ito, no? Napirmahan na po. And hindi na po ito mamapalitan. So we will start with the awarding for our best introduction number and self-introduction.
Ayan, Barangay Ilocano Norte! Buhayin pa ba tayo?
Isang sigawan na may kasamang palakpakan!
At yan ang hindi papalakpak, hindi makakatanggap ng blessing bukas! Buhay partner.
Iba talaga pag sinabi mong blessing
Oo,
partner.
naman.
Kahit sino naman, sino bang may ayaw partner?
Ayan, so
So
partner.
ayan, i-award na natin ang ating first minor award. We have Best Introduction Number and Self-Introduction. Talagang nga namang lahat naman sila ay perform ng napakaganda kanina, pero may isang nag-outshine sa ating 10 candidates. And to award partner, ang
And
ating
to
first
award our best introduction number and self-introduction number, may kawan Barangay Secretary Gian F. Flores together with Barangay Kagawad Christopher T. Cabalo.
Alright. For our best introduction number and self-introduction, with an average score of 94.66.
Wow, ang taas, grabe.
Yes, of course, partner. At ang ating best introduction number and self-introduction is candidate number...
Candidate number!
Candidate number 6, Princess Natalia Macato.
Once again, congratulations to candidate number 6, Miss Princess Natalia Macato for bagging the best introduction number and self-introduction.
And our next award is Best in Talent.
To award the best in talent, may we call on stage Barangay Kagawad Henko F. Dolor together with Kagawad Sergio Q. Puado.
Our Best in Talent with a score of 96. Ayan, napakataas ulit, partner. Sino kaya ang nagpamalas ng napakagandang talento kanina?
Pero partner, talagang talagang stand out talaga.
Lahat naman sila, partner. Pero may isang nag-shine na naman ang buong
Castillejos. Ayan.
For our best in summer wear, with a score of 95.
Grabe, ang taas partner.
Parang grade mo lang sa math noon. Alright, with a score of 95%, our best in summer wear goes to candidate number.
Who's your back? Parang Ilocos Norte.
Our best in summer wear goes to candidate number 9. Max Colin Apiano.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our best in swimwear is candidate number 9 is Max Colin Apiliado.
Alright, for our last minor award, we have Best in Ball Gown. Nakita natin mga ball gown nila ngayon. Sino kaya partner ang mananalo sa Best in Ball Gown?
And of course, partner, salamatan natin ang mga designer.
Ay, of course, designer ng mga handler nila ng partner.
Hindi ko sa mga taga-City of San Fernando dito,
Of
partner.
course, very talented ang mga taga-syudad ng San Fernando, La Union. Kaya naman nakikita mo talaga yung mga creations nila sa harapan.
And to award our best in gown, Mingawan Honorable Chechen R. Robles, our SK Chairman of Barangay Ilocanos Norte, together with our Barangay Treasurer, Ma'am Lorna J. Panagas.
Alright, for our best in ball gown, with a score of 94.33.
Grabe, parang grade mo yun ng PE partner.
Hindi naman partner, parang wala lang tayo sa line of time. Sorry. So ayan, our best in ball gown goes to candidate number.
Barangay Ilocanos Norte.
Our best in ball gown goes to candidate number 4. We have Lakeisha Marilia Dahlia.
The lady in red ball gown partner. Ayan.
Current partner, it's giving me girl on fire vibes.
Yes, ang lakas maka, what do you call this? Her Majesty Queen.
Mga preacher man, no?
Partner. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our best in gown is candidate number 10. Candidate number 4. Nandito na ako, partner. Miss Leticia Marilia Zelia.
So
Ayan.
ayan, everyone, that is our minor awards. Palakpakan po natin ang ating nagkakaroon mga chikitik sa harapan. And now, partner, we will now proceed with the awarding of winners. So ayan, since inaayos pa po natin, no, ang ating scorecard, let's proceed muna sa ating backstage.
Ayan. So, thank you sa mga chikiting natin. Punta ko naman sa backstage habang nagpipicture ang ating four charming and lovely candidates. Ayan. Thank you, ladies. Thank you, ladies.
Alright, so inaayos pa po, no, ang ating result. Alright, so thank you very much to our winners of our minor awards. Ayan, balik muna tayo sa backstage, no? So we can prepare for the awarding ng ating major awards later on. So habang inaayos po ng ating tabulation team and technical committees ang ating final result, allow us to read to you or to award our certificate of appreciation, of course, sa mga tao behind this whole production and with the for the title Little Miss Ilocanos Norte 2024.
But before that, partner, no, pasalamatan natin ang ating official tabulation, no? tabulator. No? Hindi po ang barangay council natin ang nag-tabulate, kundi po si Mr. Francis Xavier R. Mercado and Mama Reyna M. Bono.
Siyempre para may check and balance partner, no? Tsaka para makita na wala talagang bias na nangyari sa ating scoring and sa tabulation process natin. So thank you so much po sa ating official tabulator. So once again, our 10 candidates. Let's give major award. So we have here second runner-up, first runner-up, and Little Miss Ilocano Norte 2024. So tatlo po ang mananalo ng ating major awards. So kung handa na kayo, pumalang pa!
Sumigaw! Partner, ready na sila. May we call on stage the Barangay Council of Ilocanos Norte, City of San Fernando, Union, together with our judge number 1, Mr. Ryzen Ivan M. Labal, to award the second runner-up.
Alright, so overall na po na overall score na siya. So, our second runner-up
Will receive a sash, bouquet, a cash prize of 3,000 pesos, and a toy.
Bakit ba yung sa'yo? Cash prize. may Ayala. So, ayan, we're now down to our next award. First, runner-up. So, our first runner-up will receive bouquet,
Let's go!
cash, a
Let's
toy,
go!
a crown, NC Council, and a cash prize. How much po? 5,000 pesos. Ayan. And also, we would like to call our
Guys!
si Miss Angeli Kumar to join our council in awarding our first runner-up. So ready na ba tayong malaman kung sino ang ating first runner-up? Alright, since ready na kayo, ready na din kami. Our first runner-up is candidate number... Candidate number 9! Candidate number 9 is Max Molina Aguilado.
Isa na. Awan! Tayo! Tagot na agad.